Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to my channel. It is very important for me. Today I want to show what is stored in my refrigerator. This is my refrigerator. It has stickers and magnets. The refrigerator is half full. That's what's in it, curd sticks. Canned stew. Liver paste. Another can of stew. Ham. Cheese. Smoked sausage. Boiled sausage. Sparkling water. Lots of cucumbers from my garden. Avocado. Melon. Peaches. Tomato paste. Sour cream. Pickled hot peppers. More sparkling water. Tomatoes. Lots of eggs. Today showed not the entire refrigerator. Soon there will be another video in which I will tell you what else is in my refrigerator. Subscribe to the channel.